Welcome to English Easy Way. Big, small. The whale is big. The goldfish is small. Hot, cold. The soup is hot. The ice cream is cold. Fast, slow. The cheetah is fast. The turtle is slow. Happy, sad. The boy with balloons is happy. The boy who dropped his ice cream is sad. Up, down. The kite goes up in the sky. The leaf falls down to the ground. Day, night. It is bright during the day. We see stars at night. Full, empty. The basket is full of apples. The basket is empty. Tall, short. The coconut tree is tall. The flower plant is short. Heavy, light. The elephant is heavy. The butterfly is light. Clean, dirty. The shirt is clean. The shoes are dirty. Open, closed. The store is open in the morning. The store is closed at night. Near, far. The park is near our house. The mountains are far away. Old, new. The car is old. The bike is new. Rich, poor. The man is rich. The beggar is poor. Strong, weak. The superhero is strong. The baby kitten is weak. Wet, dry. The towel is wet. The paper is dry.